about the IP related like case that statutes, actually you can just check here. Patent Act 1952 is there, right? Ours is 19, yes, it is a 1970. Okay. So, Patents Act is there 1952, Copyright Act 1976, Plant Patent Act of 1930 and a Plant Variety Protection Act 1970, Semiconductor Chip Protection Act 1984, Lanham Act, Trademark Act of 1946, Digital Millennium Copyright Act is there. So, these are the statutory provisions for a IP in a US. Okay. Now, further if you go into the details about the that how exactly, now we understood the court system and how exactly structure is. So, if I want to just put it together, I can just say that okay, district court, appellate courts 13, and then there is a 94 district courts, 13 are the that circuitry courts are there, and then the last is the Supreme Court.